Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can redeem your code on Fortnite. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem your code on Fortnite, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in fortnite.com and make a search. The official page of Fortnite's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account and the home page of Fortnite's account will appear on the page. Click on human icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop down, tap on redeem. On the next page, enter your redemption code and tap on redeem. This is how you can redeem your code on Fortnite quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.